Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: teacher account, class roster, and devices. Open Nearpod and select a pre-made lesson or tap Create to start a new lesson. This gets you into the content editor quickly. Once done, add 3 interactive slides like poll, quiz, or collaborate board to engage students right away. Make sure to set lesson settings, student paced versus live, so pacing matches your objective, and preview on a spare device to verify slide order and interactions. You now focus on the middle work, building the lesson's flow and checks for understanding. Add interactive elements, polls, quizzes, VR, draw it, so students practice and you collect data. Place them every 3-6 content slides to avoid fatigue. Once done, configure feedback, correct answers, and scoring where needed, and add teacher notes for pacing cues. Make sure to reorder slides to mirror your instructional arc, and preview transitions so students experience a smooth, purposeful path through content. You're at the finish line. Launch the lesson live or student-paced and share the join code or LMS link. Monitor responses on your dashboard, call out trends, and pause or replay slides to reteach tricky points. Once done, close the lesson and download reports for formative data or grades. If things go wrong, first ask students to refresh or rejoin. If multiple fail, switch to student-paced or resend the link. Make sure to save a copy of the lesson before exiting for future reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.